Look at this YouTube channel that started uploading videos just 2 months ago, and with only 24 uploads, it has already gained almost 18,000 subscribers. Not only that, the channel has crossed more than 1 million total views. And this isn't just one case. There's another similar channel in the same niche that has already gained 45,000 subscribers, and its most popular video alone has over 1 million views. Now, the reason I'm mentioning this niche is because it's extremely simple to create. If you look at these channels, most of their videos are just 2 to 3 minutes long, which means you don't need to spend hours creating them. When you watch the videos closely, you'll notice they're made using a voiceover, on-screen captions, background music, and anime clips used as visuals. That's it. But here's the important part. I'm not going to teach you how to exactly copy these videos, because if you want to grow in this niche, you must do something different in your videos so you can stand out from other channels and actually grow. Let me explain. Most of these channels use anime clips that are easily available online, but the problem is almost every motivational channel is using the exact same anime visuals, and this creates multiple issues. First, your channel has no real brand value because the visuals you're using are the same ones everyone else is using. Second, viewers may slowly lose interest because after watching the same anime clips again and again, they feel there's nothing new in the content. Third, the quality of these anime clips is often not very high. And fourth, there can be a risk of copyright issues in the future because those anime clips don't belong to you. Now this is where the real opportunity comes in. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools to generate high-quality, unique visuals for your motivational videos. This will help your channel stand out and grow much faster. And the best part? Every tool I'll be using in this video is free to use. You don't need to invest any money to get started. So now I want you to watch this video very carefully because I'm going to show you the entire process step by step. You'll learn how to generate viral video ideas, how to write highly engaging scripts, how to create high-quality AI anime visuals, how to generate a professional voiceover, and finally, how to edit everything into a complete video. And the best thing about this niche? Not only can you make money by uploading these videos, but you'll also be helping people improve their lives. I have added all the prompts into my website so you can easily create videos yourself. Now, the first thing we need is ideas, or you can say titles for our videos. For that, go to the website, copy the first ideas generation prompt, and paste it directly into ChatGPT. As soon as you press enter, you'll get multiple viral style ideas instantly. Once the ideas are generated, you just need to pick one. I'll select this one to show you. Now, go back to the website, copy the script generation prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. At this point, ChatGPT is already trained to work like a professional motivational scriptwriter. All you need to do now is give it the idea you want the script for. So I'll copy the first idea and paste it here. Now I'll hit enter, and within a few seconds, you'll get a highly engaging 3 to 4 minute motivational script. Now we need visuals for our script. To start, we first need to generate the image prompts using ChatGPT. Go to the website, copy the scene generation prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Next, we need to give it the part of the script we want to generate images for. I'll copy a small portion of the script just to show the process. Paste it here and hit enter. Once you do that, it will generate all the image prompts we need for our script. Next, we need to generate the images from these prompts, and for that, we'll use Whisk AI. Go back to the website, copy the Whisk prompt, and paste it here. You don't need to use this long prompt again and again for every image. I'll explain that part in a moment. Now, the first line of the prompt is about the character. If you want a different hairstyle, body type, or outfit, like a hoodie instead of plain clothes, you can change it. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. The second line is about the image style, and you should keep this exactly the same. Now, go to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 description, and paste it here with this prompt. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9, then hit enter. If you don't like the image, don't overthink it. Just hit enter again. The first image is very important because it plays a major role in generating all the future images consistently. So I'll keep this as my first image and delete the previous ones to keep the library clean. Now, here's an interesting feature of Whisk AI. Drag and drop this image into the subject field. It will analyze the image, and from now on, every image you generate will have the same character. This makes the video look more natural and relatable. Once the image is analyzed, remove all the prompts. Now, you only need to copy and paste the scene description lines one by one. Make sure the precise reference option is enabled, then hit enter. Keep the images you like and delete the rest. Then just follow the same process for all the scenes. While the images are generating, if you've made it this far, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Once all the images are generated, click on Download Images and they'll be downloaded as a zip folder. Now, let's convert these images into videos. For that, we will use Grok AI. You can generate up to 20 videos per day for free using this tool. Click on the Imagine section and upload your image. We won't use the default video prompt because most of the time the motion is too much and doesn't look natural. Go back to the website. I've given you 2 different video generation prompts. If the first one doesn't give a good result, you can try the second one. I'll copy the second prompt, paste it here, and hit enter. This video looks good. Before downloading, click on the 3 dots, select Upscale to improve the quality, and then download. Repeat the same process and convert all images into videos one by one. For voice generation, we'll use Google AI Studio. Log in with any Gmail account. Select Single Speaker Audio, go to the Voice section, and choose the same speaker. Now, copy the script from ChatGPT, paste it here, and hit Run. The voice will sound something like this.
You keep waiting for motivation. You keep telling yourself you will start tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps moving.
Which we are not going to use for motivational video. We need a deep, masculine, authoritative voice. So go back to the website, copy the voice style prompt, paste it into the Style Instructions section, and hit Run. Now you can clearly hear the difference.
You keep waiting for motivation. You keep telling yourself you will start tomorrow.
Click on the 3 dots and download the audio. Let's move on to editing. This type of video doesn't need heavy or fancy editing because most of the work is already done in the previous steps. I'm using CapCut, but you can also use After Effects or Premiere Pro or any other editing software. But before we start, let's quickly watch the final video so you can see the end result.
Most men waste their nights. You are either building power or losing your life in silence. Tonight is not just another night. Tonight decides who you become. Every evening you tell yourself you will start tomorrow. Tomorrow you will focus. Tomorrow you will change. But night comes and you disappear. You scroll, you snack, you sit in comfort. Hours pass like nothing. And slowly, without noticing, your future gets smaller. Because the night is where weak habits grow. The night is where discipline dies. The night is where your potential gets traded for cheap pleasure.